Ya, jadi guys, ini sekarang jam 6.30 pagi. Nah, saya mau keluar nih, saya buka pintu. Saljunya kayaknya udah tebal nih. Dan ini belum kelar nih, masih lanjut lagi sampai 1 hari. Tapi kita harus bersihin dulu. Nanti kalau nggak dibersihin, dia numpuk dan apa namanya itu bersihnya itu lebih susah. Nah, ini nih, biar dilihat nih saljunya nih. Ini nih guys, ini tebalnya nih. Nah, jadi harus saya bersihin ini. Kalau nggak saya bersihin nanti nambah tebal, tambah susah lagi. Tambah susah lagi nih. Jadi aku ngambil ini dulu, ngambil lagi. Oh my goodness. Jadi, ini yang pertama guys, harus ini dulu. Lihat nih. Nah, ini lihat nih tebalnya nih. Aduh. Ini belum selesai. Sampai 1 hari nih. I know, tidak salah kan? Jadi karena gini teman-teman, kalau salju itu harus dibersihkan begitu turun. Nah, kalau sempat diinjak sama orang, dia keras. Nanti kita coba bersihin, good luck deh. Susahnya minta ampun. Look at yourself, over here. Just careful, eh? Nah, jadi ini nih badai saljunya guys. Ati, lagi.
Oh my god, it's so thick.
I know, it's so thick. Naki, we got 2 pieces over there, just in front of the garage. Go get it. Aduh. Kapan kelarnya ini nih, guys?
Dad,
Yeah.
I have a question.
Where's your question?
Question 1.
Yeah.
How does grass survive with all the snow?
I know, this is very funny ya. Jadi si naik nanya katanya gimana sih kok rumput itu bisa kok hidup katanya. Padahal ditutup sama salju kan. Memang benar guys. Jadi ini rumput ketutup semua pas salju. Tapi nanti pas lagi summer dia rumputnya itu numbuh lagi deh.
Then Dad, I have a second question. How do we still have bugs? Like,
I know.
Cool.
Okay, Gabi, tell me what are we making?
We're making bacon syrup.
Bacon syrup? What is that?
It's where, Daddy, you make syrup, Daddy. You put in syrup and snow, Daddy, and it'll just freeze, Daddy. When it freezes, you take it out and it looks like bacon.
Oh,
It's
okay.
actually a French dessert called teal.
Okay.
But Daddy,
Jadi
we
katanya
just open it.
dikasih sirup katanya ke snow, terus katanya snownya nanti kelihatan kayak bacon. Entah di mana pun. Level it, okay. Okay, now what?
Hey, get the syrup, Dad.
Okay, now, Gabi, so just over here, right? Are we bringing it home? It's gonna be melted.
No, we don't.
Okay, Gabi.
Gabby, I'm pretty sure we have to melt it.
Eksperimennya Gabi sama naik nih, oke. Sirup, be careful. Jadi ini gula-gula nih, be careful. Lagi dia
Gabby, can I?
you trust him? Okay.
Okay, yeah. Dad, you want me to pour it in this?
Nah, Naki, explain to the camera what are you doing?
We have to pour it down so it will freeze.
Okay.
This is not gonna work. This is attempt 1
Okay.
without boiling it.
Now what happened?
Now it's frozen.
Yeah, now it's frozen and you can eat it.
Now you can eat it?
Yeah,
So
try.
what's...
Gabby, take it out. This is not gonna work. You have to boil it, Gabby.
Oh, Daddy, it turned into TO.
Wait, it did.
It turned into TO actually now.
Okay.
It worked.
It turned into TO.
Okay, so
Gabby,
okay,
take it
okay.
out, take it out.
So what are you doing now? Can we
I
eat
need
it?
to get the stick. Daddy, do you have a stick?
Go get a stick, okay.
Bo, do you have the stick?
Yeah, I told you that before. Now look at it. The house now is super messy now. Look at it. Nah, here, nah. Okay, show me. Entah apa nih yang dibikin sama orang dia, aku juga nggak ngerti.
Wait, I want to try it. Bro, are you filming this? Bro, are
Give
you
it.
filming this?
Yeah, Bob is filming it. Yeah.
Okay, wait. Oh no, see, Gabby, look, it's broken.
We can still eat it.
Dad, we're gonna boil it, okay?
No, we can still eat it though.
Sure, I guess. This
Wih, lihat nih si Gavin udah menghalangi. Jadi katanya itu tadi itu proyek gagal.
Guys, you have to close the door.
Oke, close the door. Jadi guys, saya tunjukin nih. Kami yang lagi. Let's show to the people.
We have to boil it
Sini,
really.
close it. Jadi memang yang benar itu bikin apa namanya? What's the name of this? Teal. Jadi
T-I-R-E.
so, oke Naki. Jadi yang benar itu ini guys harus
You don't need too much, Dad.
Nah, coba. Nah, jadi sebenarnya harus kita boil sebenarnya, harus kita rebus. Okay, let me know when to stop.
Just, you don't need that much, Dad.
Okay, so
Yeah, that should be good.
okay. Now you put it on the high temperature.
No, just leave it there until it's really boiling.
Terus dulu tadi tuh si Gabi nggak percaya, dia itu langsung main tancap gas aja
But
dikasih ke
Dad,
es.
it can't just be hot. It has to be really hot.
That's what I'm saying. Let's wait because this one's on the highest the temperature right now. You know what I mean? Look at that. It starts smoking. It's very hot right now.
Can we put it outside while we're waiting?
Well, for 5 seconds and then come back again. Why don't just wait? Okay. So do you want to take care of this?
Yeah.
Okay. Ooh, it's getting hot, guys. Okay, Gabe, did you get that thing ready? Do you need to level the ice again? Yes. Okay. So jadi ini kamera diputar lagi nih. Jadi ini eksperimennya kita ulang nih, guys. Ya, over here. Sorry.
Test number 2.
Ya. Jadi ini guys.
Dad, make sure it's clean. You don't want
Okay.
dirty stone.
Oke, baca the camera. Kami lagi. Jadi ini tadi sini tuh. Tadi ini tadi yang proyek gagal. Nah.
Dad, just open and get some new one.
Okay, so we got the new one, right? Come here, Gaps. Okay. Oh, jeez. Jadi lihat
That's
ini.
very good, Dad.
Okay.
Whoa.
So it has to be the clean one.
Yeah, it has to be clean.
Okay. Let me just pour it.
Pour it in strips.
Strip like this. Boom, 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 like that. Okay. So mana kamera? Ah, ini nih. Jadi katanya strip katanya.
You did W.
That's it.
Oh, W. Oh, nice.
Nah, jadi itu tadi sirup yang sudah mendidih, guys ya.
Win.
Okay. Now what? Now what, Naki?
Let's try. Okay, wait for it to freeze. Okay, now.
Oke. Tadi yang pertama itu proyek gagal karena yang dingin.
It's crumbling, so.
Jadi kayaknya dua-dua proyek.
How hard is it, Nike?
Wih,
Wait, Dad, I don't know what to do.
itu langsung dimakan masih naik. Padahal itu tadi mendidih loh.
No.
Just take it.
It's not working. Yeah, I think this is a.
Jadi para
Dad, it's crumpled.
Oke, para sahabat Uncle Teng, lagi-lagi kita sudah terbiasa dengan eksperimen yang gagal. So,
We did that. We
Gabi,
did this last year and it was good, right?
let me end.
You want some, Dad?
Gabi, can you tell to the camera what so how's the experiment?
I took it out and I ate it.
Is it failed again? Failed? So Naki, tell to the viewer, sorry guys, it's another failure. Say Naki.
Yeah, it's failed.
No, apa ya?
Sorry.
Sorry Naki, what do you think?
Sorry, guys, it's failed again.
Yeah, why? Gabi? What do you think?
I think it melted.
What made it
too
fail?
much.
What made it fail?
I don't know, actually.
Gabi always, I don't know. Huh?
At least it's still yummy.
Jadi gagal proyeknya, tapi kata si Gabi ya paling tidak masih enak kok dimakan. What are you doing?
Well, I don't know.
What are you doing, my friend? Huh? Buset. Oh my goodness. You gonna come out? Ini ngapain ini anak? You gonna come out now? Come out. Out. You need help? Stand up. What are you doing, Gab? Are you making your cake? You gonna go inside?
Daddy, I'm freezing.
Go inside. Let me see your face. Jadi guys, thank you udah nongkrong di channel ini. Ini kali ketiga saya nih bersihin snow hari ini. Ini sekarang jam 2 siang nih. Sekarang saya lagi mau bersihin snow yang ketiga. Sekalian main-main sama anak-anak. Jadi terima kasih udah nongkrong dan udah mampir di channel ini. Thank you. like a river that flows away, searching for a place and looking for lower ground, traveling miles away from somewhere it goes to nowhere. Where exactly are you going? Are you looking for the ocean? I came from a different world, miles away. Talk about the distance, it's night versus day. I plan to go to America, as people say it's a promised land. But where did my feet land? I ended up in Canada. You can plan and you can think or talk about it. You can dream or you can wish every piece of your mind. Just remember it's not up to you. You can claim and you can blame or you condemn all the things that you've been through just to find an excuse. Just remember it's not up to you. Just like the ocean, it's never full of water. Even the river flows and rains keep falling. That's the story of who we are. We are never full or satisfied. We are always expecting more and lead us into temptation. Talk about it. You can dream or you can wish every piece of your mind. Just remember it's not up to you. You can claim and you can blame or you condemn all the things that you've been through just to find an excuse. Just remember it's not up to you. You can plan and you can think or talk about it. You can dream or you can wish every piece of your mind. Just remember it's not up to you. You can claim and you can blame or you condemn